It is the 29th of August 2024. This is WIKisPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, so Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. In the past week, I uh, didn't do a huge amount. I did spend the weekend in Vancouver, and I'm just catching up. But I did find a cable. I found the old three-pronged plug so I could turn on that old computer, which is identical to my. It's not really the old. It's a clone of. It's exactly the same computer as another one, so that's going to be useful. And I found one dead keyboard, so I'm sharing a keyboard, and it booted. That was the main thing. I hadn't turned it on in 5 years, and it booted fine. So aside of that, I also while that's happening, I've been watching the Docker videos from Articulated Robotics. It looks really straightforward. I love that it's just command lines. It's like uh, get the Docker image, which is like 2204, in the name of a ROS version and everything. So that looks like it. I think that'll go ahead quick. Now that I've got a sort of clean a Linux box to play around with a containers on. Coming week, then I'll just carry on with that, and my goal would be to get right back to the one of the tutorials, one of the Ross 2 tutorials that he's got, like such as uh, yeah, either the ball following or just well, the other one is Tiziano. So I think I'll probably stick with the articulated robotics because they're up to date, and then I'll take on the um, do-it-yourself lidar. I'm interested in that, but I want to get a solid base and not be frustrated. And I think the articulated are more up to date and detailed, so I'll uh, I'll work on that. Also, though, for the coming week, yeah, the and we should talk in crosstalk, but I think I'm going to. At first, I'll probably just try and go with the image we've got on the Pi, but if I have problems with it, I'll replace it with one of them that he recommends. And so I want to talk about that. And blocks are just a lot going on. Some of my volunteer groups have there. There's been things we've been kind of struggling with for a while, but they're moving along, so that's good. And back to you.
Okay, it's Michael Wilczuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I didn't get a whole lot done. I got stand-up posted, and the CNC machine, I didn't make any progress. Basically, ended up being busy with visitors the whole week, and we did a little bit of hockey stuff on the weekend. Um, I did get a set of 6 new ESP32s ordered. They were on sale for $40, so I got them off Amazon. And that's pretty much all I've got for that. Next week, I'm still hoping to get the WIKisPEED website, the document processing script documented and posted. The Maslow CNC, I'm going to be testing the thing I ordered that converts it from a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch, just doing some cuts with a 1/8 inch bit. And I have a project to put new skins on my shed doors, so I'll be using it for that. Little Red Wagon project. Hopefully, I will make the same progress that you did or you are planning to do on doing the Docker, but I doubt that I'll get as far as you will. And I would like to work on assembling the Sunfounder tank kit with the Raspberry Pi 3. Blocks visitors and garden and heading out to grandson stuff is starting back up. Back to you.
So I'll give myself a 7, team of 10, and process improvement remains as reach out. And it seems to be coming together for September. People are going to be busy with school starting up and things like that till mid September, but maybe we should aim for mid September, early October to reach out. Back to you.
Okay, I'm going to give myself 3 because I didn't get very much stuff done. And I'm going to go 10 for the team. And process improvement, again, yeah, I'll agree. But I'm still saying we need a Docker image before we get a bunch of people involved. So you're making progress on that. Hopefully, we'll get that done for mid September and get some people invited. That's about it. So I guess we're into crosstalk. Do you want this recorded?
No,